What's going on, guys? My name's Kyle. Welcome to Big Money Mindset 2 Rocket Fuel channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering some rocket fuel that looks like it's starting to heat up, and that is the IPOB OPENDOOR SPAC merger. And we're going to be taking a look at some articles. We'll take a look at the stock chart, and I'm going to show you guys some call options that I've been playing. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. Our patience is starting to pay off. A lot of these companies are starting to hit, and that's what it's all about. Being patient and waiting for the good companies to take its course, and that's what we're seeing right now with IPOB OPENDOOR. Once again, only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on the IPOB SPAC merger. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, as we can see right now, looking at the IPOB stock, we're hovering around $28.66. We had a big jump today of $14.69, a pullback after hours right around 2.5%. And my call options right now, I'm playing a lot of call options, about 13 contracts. These are up about 100% right now, $5,400 gain, and these could go a lot further. From what I'm seeing with IPOB OPENDOOR in the next couple of weeks, this company has a ton of upside. If you want to know what options I entered the February calls, and I also entered the May calls, the 20s and the 25s. So I have good short-term call options as well as longer-term call options. All these call options were listed inside of my Patreon. We have probably over 500 people up pretty solid on these right now, and that's what it's all about, patience. I don't put out any bad call options, with a short expiration that are high risk. These are contracts we've been sitting in for a couple of months now, waiting for the stock to take its course. And just to give some more details of, the open interest and volume that these options are having right now, we'll just start with the May $20 call. Take a look. And we can see that these calls do have a break-even price by May 21st of $25.60. So we're already over the break-even price. That's very good. There's a lot of upside, 6 months out from now. And we can see the open interest, outstanding contracts right now is 2,900 on these. So these do have great open interest. Volume trading is, getting upwards of 100. That's very solid volume already. And people are going to continue to flock into these because these are far out. I expect these to get a lot higher open interest in the next couple of weeks for sure. And we'll also take a look at the February call, which is a little bit more higher risk, but we'll just take a look at the details on those. As you can see, I purchased these a little bit higher on the stock price. So I did pay a little bit more for these, but we can see that these have a break even of $28.20 by February 19th, a little bit over 2 months it looks like. And these have outstanding open interest. A lot of people want to play the shorter term calls, 7,560 open interest. That's crazy. A lot of people are jumping on these in the short term. 267 volume, that was crazy volume for today. But these do have outstanding upside potential. These break-evens are both already over. And, we got 2 months out on one call and 5 months out on the other call. So, like I said, guys, this is all about timing. It's all about buying when the company is flatlining. The company has no news. This company has not been talked about very much on the YouTube channel, as well as regular websites. This is a very low-key stock. Even right now, there's still not that many articles about it, which I'm very surprised, compared to other companies. And the good news is starting to come out about IPOB OPENDOOR. This company has a ton of upside, and we could see crazy potential growth in the next couple of weeks and months. There's just no telling where this one could go. It's been pretty low-key these past couple of weeks compared to the other companies that are merging. So there's just no telling what could happen. We'll also take a look into the CEO's Twitter. He made a big mistake on his Twitter. You guys are going to laugh once you see the mistake Chomit did. In a time of transition, the skeptics can't stop social capital head of Sophia. Real estate is going digital, and IPOB stock is going vertical. Both trends will continue. This is Investor Place. Yes, Investor Place puts out a ton of articles, bullish and bearish analysts. This guy looks pretty bullish. Pretty soon, if everything works out as planned, social capital head of Sophia, it will have served its purpose as IPOB stock and will cease to exist. However, this does not mean you shouldn't own the stock. In fact, I'd consider it a strong buy right now. A closer look at IPOB stock, assuming everything goes according to plan. IPOB stock final day of trading will be December 18th, but don't worry, stockholders don't need to sell their shares if they don't want to. That's because the stock will trade under a brand new ticker symbol on the very next trading day, which is December 21st, next Monday. The symbol for OPENDOOR's common stock will be OPEN, and it will trade on the NASDAQ exchange. So just know if you own this company right now, you don't got to make any changes. It's going to do it automatically for you. A market ready for change. So let's take a look at OPENDOOR and its business model. The company was founded in 2014 and it's essentially a digital platform that clients can use to buy or sell homes. In the era of the novel pandemic, it's not difficult to construct an argument for buying things online. But would people really be willing to buy a house online? They did some questions. Apparently, yes, according to a survey conducted by Zillow, 36% of Americans say that they're more likely to try to buy a home entirely online during the pandemic. Plus, 30% said that after the current outbreak ends, they would do the same, guys. So this is just the direction people are headed. Finally, 43% of respondents said that they'd be more likely to sell online during the outbreak, and 33% said they'd consider selling online after the pandemic as well. Guys, this company has massive upside potential. There's so much innovation going on in the world, and we know that, this is going to be giving realtors a hard time in the next couple of years. People are going to gradually continue to be moving on to OPENDOOR because OPENDOOR offers significant lower, closing costs, compared to realtors. It's a lower cost fee. They give, also from certain reviews, they give excellent pricing on their home offerings. So there's just a lot of competition for realtors down the road. Is this the Amazon of real estate? Therefore, both during and after pandemic, many people are ready to adapt their home buying and selling modalities. And as OPENDOOR reports, residential real estate is under the United States' biggest undisruptive market, 1.6 trillion in annual homes sold and less than 1% online penetration. Guys, this is a brand new market. OPENDOOR is the leader. They're the ones doing the innovation, and there's so much homes out there to be sold at bargain prices. OPENDOOR, when we take a look at OPENDOOR's revenue numbers, once again, you guys don't have any idea how much money they're already making and how much money they can potentially make in the next 2 to 3 years. The bottom line, the real estate market is changing and your investing strategy should change with it. Already, IPOB stock has been on fire with bullish price action, and with its first day of trading on the NASDAQ just around the corner, open stock could easily follow the same trajectory. It seems that home buyers and sellers could willingly make the digital transition and investors could reap the rewards. Guys, this is what it's all about. It's all about innovation. It's all about getting in early. It's all about limiting your risk. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone inside of my Patreon. You guys trusted me. I told you to be patient, and the patience is starting to pay off. I told people to load up all around the low 20s and just give this company some time. It has great upside potential, and the news is just now starting to break out, just like a lot of SPAC stocks right around the merger time. People are starting to realize how undervalued this company is in the short term as well as the long term. I'm going to be making some big money on this stock, I predict, in the next couple of months. I'm very excited. I'll give you guys some price targets at the end of the video. Guys, this is on their investor presentation. They are the innovator and market leader. I've gone over this in previous videos. Key metrics, they're in 21 markets. 80,000 homeowners served, $10 billion in homes sold. Look at the revenue over the last 3 years, growing crazy speed. 0.7 billion 2017, 1.8 billion in 2018, 2019, 4.7 billion. Understand that 2020 we may see a pullback in the revenue because of the pandemic and the lockdowns and all of the different types of disruptive news that was going around. So just know that we may see a little pullback for 2020, which is completely fine. But come 2021, this company is going to see a massive revenue increase now that this company is more talked about and more people are willing to go the digital route. Homes sold 2019, 18,799. Competitor number 2 and competitor number 3, very, very behind, compared to OPENDOOR. 4.4x larger than the next closest competitor. Guys, this company makes some crazy money, and you got to understand right now, you're in at a very, very early time frame, even buying in that $20, $30 range. And just know a great thing you can do for this stock, we'll take a look at the chart real quick. You don't want to wait too long to hop in a company. You want to get your foot in the door. purchase up some stock. And if the company drops, you just average down. Let's say you buy in around $30 on the stock and it drops to 20. You just buy in at 20 again, and then your average price is right in the middle at $25. So don't buy in on a company that you're not expecting a pullback to happen, okay? Any company can have a pullback. You want to be investing in a company you see great upside potential, okay? That's how I do it. I've been down before. I hold through, and the company that has upside always makes it out, just in a couple of months. So that's my opinion. If you want to hop in this company, don't FOMO into call options. Call options are very drastic difference compared to stocks. If you're playing call options, you want to go pretty long on these because there could be a lot of price action happening, with the ticker symbol change. So just know there's going to be a lot of volatility next week once this company changes. And I also want to take a look at the CEO's Twitter. This is going to crack you guys up just to see the mistake he made earlier today. Chalmette, the CEO, IPOB merger has been fully approved at OPENDOOR. Ticker changes to open tomorrow and starts trading on the NASDAQ. Guys, today's Thursday. Congrats to the CEO. Look at this. Apologies. The ticker symbol changes on Monday, 12/21. Guys, Chalmette is so rich. He doesn't even know what's going on with his own company right now. He messed up the ticker symbol change date. Apologies. That is just hilarious to me. That's going to probably make some headlines, but just know that it is changing on Monday. So expect some crazy volatility come Monday. Once again, these call options are beginning to print. I'm very excited. I think in the next 2 to 3 months, OPENDOOR for sure is going to see a $40 price target or higher. It could definitely happen just this next week or two, but just know that's just my bullish statement. I think we're going to see $40 in the short term. Once again, if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. Your patience is starting to pay off, and we're going to be hitting big on more call options in the future once I sell out of my current position. So there's a lot of upside in the near future. I've already had some companies in mind that I've been tossing out on the Patreon right now. And only if you feel this video gave you a better insight on the IPOB OPENDOOR SPAC merger next Monday, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.